Good morning. This is Loretta Living, letting you know that these are brown eggs from the Dollar Tree. I also want to show you they have really upgraded with their eggs. This is December 21st, and you cannot beat that. For $1 in the dollar store, this is how the top of it looks. And I wanted to show you that I was surprised when I saw these in the dollar store. Brown eggs. You know what they cost, even in Kroger's? $3. Now I want to show you how they cook. Absolutely beautiful. Look at how pretty these are. I use just a little oil. They are absolutely beautiful. They cook so pretty. I just had to show you how Dollar Tree has really upgraded. Let me turn my light on so you can see. But I wanted to show you how pretty these are. They turned out so beautiful. Now yesterday, I had my grandkids yesterday, and I'm about to feed them some eggs. So just to show you that, this is the hot chocolate. Putting hot chocolate in here. Don't waste water. I use just a small bottle of water. Throw it in here because that's all kids are going to drink. Throw it in the microwave. So as you see, I mix my hot chocolate up. And now I'm putting some marshmallows in it. And this will be their breakfast. This will be their breakfast for this morning. Miss Emoji is helping out. And it's just warm enough. So as you see, I have Taco Bell, which they got yesterday, and they didn't eat it. So we are going to take the tacos. They have the taco party package now, where you can buy a taco and then you get everything in it in the taco party package. And you know kids will eat tacos in the morning. Hold on, I can't. So this is what you call budgeting. This is how they would go: egg, a taco, and a taco roll, and some hot chocolate. And that is breakfast this morning. The weekend of Thanksgiving, after keeping the kids for the weekend. So this is your breakfast this morning. This is Loretta Living. Thank you for joining me. Like I said, these brown eggs look delicious from the Dollar Tree, and you can't beat it. Also, the hot chocolate and marshmallows are from Dollar Tree. Taco Bell provided the tacos for me in a taco roll. Thank you.